Hello friend, I am Ajit. Today I am going to discuss one more important drug that is budesonide nebulizer. So budesonide, that is a suspension. BP means British Pharmacopoeia 0.5 milligram. So that is the brand name budesonide 0.5 milligram, and that is nebulizer solution. We'll discuss in later what is meant nebulizer and what is meant by solution in that later. So this solution only for inhalation only and preservative free. There is no preservative in this medicine. So budesonide is not containing preservative when it is in a form of nebulizer suspension. And if you see how it is used, so first you have to tear one nebulizer solution from the combi pack. This combi pack is there. First you have to tear one from the combi pack. After tearing, you have to go for next step, that is to open the nebulizer solution, twist off the cap as shown in the figure. And number 3, that is squeeze the content into the reservoir of the nebulizing chamber. You have to inserting the solution into the nebulizer chamber and then discard the nebulizer solution after use, and shake well before use the and keep it out reach of children. So this is the nebulizer solution, which is preservative free and which is used mainly in case of bronchopulmonary cases, means bronchial problem, and pulmo cases means pulmonary department. This medicine is mainly used for pulmonary department. And if you see the what is mean a nebulizer, so nebulizer is nothing but one device which is used to administering drug by inhalation. Through the inhalation we are going to administering the drug, that is through nose and mouth. And nebulizer solution, that is solution, so this is a liquid drug. So liquid drug is converted to aerosol, droplet or fine mist particle. And nebulizer uses oxygen, compressed air and ultrasonic power to break down the medication solution and deliver it into the lungs. This is a liquid solution. So liquid drug is converted to aerosol droplet or fine mist in the presence of oxygen, compressed air or ultrasonic power. For that the drug is breakdown in a aerosol droplet or fine mist particle. So after breakdown it will enter into that lungs through the either mouth or nose, and at least it will reach in the lungs where it is the site of action. It will show pharmacological action in the lungs. So what is the types of nebulizer that we have? Number 1, jet nebulizer. Jet nebulizer otherwise called that is compressed nebulizer or atomizer. Both these three are same. And number 2, that is vibrating mesh nebulizer, and number 3, that is ultrasonic wave or aerosonic nebulizer. These are available in market. So these 3 type of nebulizer is there. Indication means what purpose this nebulizer used. When the nebulizer solution is used, number 1, relieve bronchospasm. If the spasm is happening in their bronchial or bronchial muscle, so that time we will go with nebulizer. And in case of asthma, in asthma patient we will give to nebulizer. And respiratory congestion, if the congestion is happening in respiratory problem, upper respiratory or lower respiratory, so that time we should go for that nebulizer. And one more thing, that is pneumonia. If the patient have come with pneumonia, so that time we go for nebulizer. And severe inflammation and allergic reaction, if the more infection and inflammation and allergic reaction is there, that time we should go with the nebulizer. And respiratory distress, So nebulizer is to conclusion we can say nebulizer is a medical device which is responsible for administering of drug by inhalation through the nose or mouth. And the DC drug is nebulizer solution is a solution that is the liquid form will get, and that liquid form is converted to aerosol droplet particle or fine mist particle. That fine mist particle reach in the lungs. After reaching the lungs, it will show a pharmacological action. So thank you watching these videos. Thank you.